In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell on Binance, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. By the end of this guide, you will understand the steps necessary to navigate the platform and execute trades effectively. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, you will see various options on the homepage, including links for trading, earning, and more. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during your trading session. Next, locate and click on the trade option in the top navigation menu. This action will direct you to the trading interface where you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It's advisable to check your available balance before proceeding, as trading will require sufficient funds in your account. After that, click on Spot to access the spot trading section. In this area, you can view real-time market prices and make trades based on current market conditions. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will display various trading pairs and relevant market data. Once this appears, take a moment to review the order book displayed on the left side of the screen. This section shows the current buy and sell orders, helping you determine the market depth and pricing trends. Understanding this data is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Following that, click on the Chart tab to analyze price movements visually. Here you will find various tools and indicators to help you assess market trends and make strategic trading choices. Take your time to explore these features, as they can significantly impact your trading success. After analyzing the chart, navigate to the info section to gather additional details about the selected cryptocurrency. This area provides essential information, including market capitalization, trading volume, and historical performance, which can inform your trading strategy. Next, click on the trading data option to further analyze the trading statistics for your selected asset. This data can include metrics like price changes over different time frames and can help you gauge market sentiment. Following this, explore the trading analysis section to view insights and recommendations based on market data. This feature can provide you with valuable perspectives that may influence your trading decisions. Once you have gathered enough information, proceed to make your trade by clicking on the market buy option. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that large purchases may affect market prices, especially in less liquid markets. If prompted, you may need to complete identity verification to proceed with your trades. This step is essential for compliance and to ensure the security of your account. Make sure you have the necessary identification documents ready for a smooth verification process. After verification, you can access the trading bots feature, which can automate your trading strategies. This tool can be beneficial for those who wish to optimize their trading without constant manual intervention. As you continue, consider reviewing your trading performance by clicking on today's P&L to see your profit and loss for the day. This information is crucial for assessing your trading effectiveness and managing your portfolio. Finally, if you wish to practice without financial risk, you can engage in demo trading. Click on the Start Demo Trading button to access a simulated trading environment where you can hone your skills without the pressure of real money. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.